Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Vlogify with Suti. And few days back I purchased few makeup products from Color Essence. So I thought let me just show those products with you all. Although I'm not a makeup person, I don't use makeup a lot, but you know, like every girl, I also want that I should have everything. So I have purchased few things right now which I was not having earlier. So let me just show you what I've got. So I have also got a pouch from Color Essence because I purchased a lot of products from them. So they gave me this cute pouch which I love. So the first product that I purchased from Color Essence is their orange concealer, because my Masi, she is a beautician, so she suggested that any color corrector or any concealer is good, but for my skin she suggested that you should always go for orange concealer. And not for my skin, generally also she used orange concealer for her brides. So I thought I did not have this one, so I just purchased it from Color Essence, and it is not opening right now. I have still not used it and it's packed, but yeah, this one, and I really love this. It is a makeup base, HD makeup base. It is a waterproof concealer. So, and when I was purchasing it, the salesperson of the Color Essence, he applied it on my face and he said that it is waterproof and it does not give you a very cakey look. So I purchased it, and yes, it definitely hides any dark circles, any pigmentation, any spots that you have. So yeah, this one is the orange concealer that I purchased. The second thing I purchased is the eyebrow pencil. I usually don't make my eyebrows because I usually wear specs, so I find that my eyebrows does not make any sense. So but this time I purchased an eyebrow pencil. It has a spoolie with it. Nowadays I think the spoolie comes with the eyebrow pencil. So yeah, I don't use it, but I have purchased it because every time you can't go to the makeup salon for any makeup, so you want to give it a touch up while you are doing makeup. So I thought let's just have it and use it. So this one is one thing. And the third thing that I purchased is the high definition foundation, which is the HD foundation of Color Essence, and it is in my tone only. I don't know what it is written, I don't know. Yeah, it is, but this is my shade. So when you go to the store, they apply everything. They give you a trial for the products you purchase. So yeah, they have applied this on my face and it was pretty matching to my face. Although I have many foundations, but when I went there, the foundations were all set up, lined up nicely. So I thought let's just purchase it. So this is a good HD foundation. Another thing that I brought is BB cream. Since my college days, I never had BB creams because I never wanted to go for any powder or cream or anything like that, because I already had a lot of acne on my face. So I never opt for any of this BB cream. But now I purchased this BB cream. It is in the shade normal to dark, because obviously I am a wheatish complexion, I'm not very fair. So yeah, I have opted this one, and I have used this on my hand. So it was giving a little bit of whitish thing, but I thought that I would manage it because I don't go out much and I don't apply makeup. So I think let me just use this one and then I'll tell you all that is it good. But yeah, it smells really nice. So yeah, I have purchased this BB cream. This is my first BB cream ever. I have never purchased it earlier. And I have also bought a beauty blender. I already have a lot, but yeah, when you go to the store and you find many things in front of you, so you just cannot stop yourself. And the last thing that I brought is the eyebrow trimmer. Again, I have bought too many things for my eyebrows. I don't know why I don't use anything for my eyebrows. I have never done my eyebrows, not even on my wedding. So yeah, this one is, I don't know how to use it, but I will learn how to use it. This has it is a very different It has a very different shape, and it has a small blade like thing. This is the blade, and this is very sharp also. So I don't know, I'll ask to my Masi how to use it, because she suggested me to purchase it. And so, by the way, this I got from Miniso, and the beauty blender is also from Miniso that I purchased. I also bought few makeup brushes, but I don't know where I have kept them, so I couldn't show you right now. I was searching my makeup brushes before the video, but nah. So this was all like this. These were the things that I purchased that are from the makeup family, and I am very happy because of this bag. This is so cute. It has all this flower and floral things, and so thank you Color Essence for this. And rest all these things I haven't used till now, but yes, the day I was purchasing, they have applied it everywhere on my face, so I could say that yes, this is a thumbs up thing what I have purchased. And nothing much for this video. This is it, and I have shown you all what I have purchased from the Color Essence brand. And now I think pretty much for this video, and soon I'll be uploading another video. So till the time being, please stay safe. Bye bye, take care.